Welcome guys in this new lecture of Python versus C++ programming series. In today's lecture we are going to learn how to write the basic hello world program in Python and in C++. Now in VS Code editor using control plus backslash you can split your screen as shown here. Let's start with Python. In Python using print function you can print whatever you want to onto the output screen. So we'll be using strings. So anything written within quotes is called a string and it will be printed as it is. In C++, the first line has to be inclusion of the header file, and the most important header file is IOStream or input output stream. Then in C++ everything has to be inside main function. So I'll write int main, then normal brackets, and then inside curly braces we have to write our statements. So in C++ we have cout, which is analogous to print function in Python. So cout, then two angular brackets open, inside quotes whatever you want to print as it is, and then semicolon to end the line. Let's run this Python file now. Run Python, and you can see hello Python has been printed successfully. Let's run this C++ file. Let's ignore it, no problem with that. Let's run the run code, and hello CPP has been printed successfully. Okay, so this is how you can print. Now let's do some changes, some manipulations. So in Python I have used here single quote, but Python provides us the feature to use double quotes and triple quotes also. So let me remove this single quotes first, select this and double quotes. Similarly, I can use triple quotes. So simply I have to select the string and then print single quotes 3 times. In fact, I can also use double quotes 3 times. So Python call it triple quotes, and in later lectures we'll see why Python has provided us with single, double and triple quotes. So let me press 1, 2, 3, done. Okay, let's run this. First save this. And see here, hello Python, hello Python, hello Python, hello Python 4 times. Can we do these things in C++ also? Let's see. So we use double quotes. Let me use single quote and see first. So you can see a red marker here, red line, and when I put the cursor it is showing that too many characters in characters constant. It means that if you have more than one character, let's run and see, a garbage value is appearing at the output. It is basically that if you have more than one characters, then always use double quotes. And my suggestion will be always use double quotes whether if you have single character or more than single character. Okay, now let's see one more thing which is very important. You can see hello Python has been printed in next line always, in new line. So can we do with hello CPP also? So I have named it CPP 1 and 2. Let's run this again. Again I forgot this thing, no problem. Run code. Okay, so you can see hello CPP 1 and CPP 2 are printed in the same line. So to get to the new line in C++, we can use two ways. One way is this, which is called using end-l or end line function. Again you have to write this std and double colon, which means that, which is named as a scope resolution operator. Now it is done. Let's run this. Okay, I haven't saved it. Let me save again and run. Okay, now you can see hello CPP1 and hello CPP2 are printed onto the separate lines. So just make an analogy to understand this. There can be many cout, there can be many end-l, and we are saying that this cout and end-l belong to particular std name space. So instead of using std every time like this, there is one another way which is not a good method, like writing this using namespace std. But for the sake of convenience and ease of writing, we will be using this convention always. But in practical approach, we don't need this thing. We always write std. Now let's run. Okay. So that's it for this lecture. We saw how to print the basics of Hello Python and Hello CPP in Python and C++, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.